Hey guys, welcome to the another video session. And today in this lecture we will discuss about fixing SCCM issue, which is very common while installing the SCCM client. So let us proceed with discussing the fix about that issue. So while checking the SCCM setup.log, we can see the SCCM client installation is failing because of Visual Studio components already installed in the system, and it is returning 1603 code. So in the next phase we see there are many Visual Studio components installed in the system. So while installing the SCCM client, we need to skip the prerequisite of installing Visual Studio. We just need to add skip prerequisite command vccredist at the end of the command, which we use generally for installing SCCM clients, and the issue will get fixed. Thank you. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you must have learned the new concept and new ways of fixing such kind of issues. So let's meet in another lecture session and see you there. Bye bye.